Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into Ubisoft Connect on PC or the web. This proves ownership. Once signed in, open Steam and log into the same Steam account you'll link. Make sure your Ubisoft account email is current and accessible because you may need to confirm actions. If you use two-factor, have your authenticator or codes ready. This prevents delays. Now navigate to Ubisoft account settings. We'll connect from there, so keep both clients open and visible as you proceed. You now go to your Ubisoft account settings and open linked accounts to start authorization. Click the Steam option and a Steam login or authorization pop-up appears. Log in or confirm that pop-up immediately. Pay attention to the Steam account name shown. It must match the Steam client you opened earlier to avoid linking the wrong account. Accept permissions Ubisoft requests. These let games and entitlements transfer. Once accepted, wait for the success message, then double-check both clients show the link status. Finish by restarting both Steam and Ubisoft Connect so entitlements refresh across services. This triggers game activations. Then open your game library to confirm Ubisoft-linked titles show as owned on Steam and that Ubisoft Connect displays the Steam connection. If you don't see expected entitlements, clear browser cookies or Ubisoft cache and retry the authorization flow. Sometimes using a different browser or disabling ad blockers fixes pop-ups. If errors persist, unlink and relink after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.